Hi, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a bee. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now, I think we're going to do absolutely fantastic today. I can't wait to see what we're going to come up with. Well, let's hop to it, let's go see what we can do.
For the first step of making our bee, we're going to begin by making two big circles for the eyes. Now right below the eyes that we just made, we're going to make one half circle. Great start. Now we're going to begin to make the wings of our bee. Now directly below the eyes, we're going to give our bee a nice big smile. Awesome, now we're going to begin to make the first arm of our bee. After we make the arm, we're going to begin to make the body, and the body is pretty much a big basic circle. Now we can't forget to add the stinger for our bee. Now we're going to begin to add some stripes. Later on you'll notice that we're going to color in these stripes black. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your bee with us.